All right, let's look at the homework 9, problem number 9. All right, so we want to enclose this the largest possible area by adding 200 feet of fencing, and full 40 feet is already covered by the stone wall, and and the region is a rectangular region. All right, so let's do that. All right, first, let's see. So what's the fencing here? So I'm gonna just do this. All right, so we know that this is going to be X, and that this is going to be 40, and this is going to be W. All right, so the total fencing would be X plus X, so it's going to be 2X, and W plus W, so it's a 2W, and then you have a 40. Alright, this is equal to 200. Alright, I'm going to solve this equation for W. Alright, so first I'm going to subtract the 2x and 40. So you have a 2W is equal to, let's see, 200 minus 40 is 160, and then minus 2x. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and divide through by 2. So that we have a W is equal to 80 minus X. All right, then let's express the area. Area is going to be base is X plus 40 and the times W. All right, but the W is 80 minus X, so it's going to be X plus 40 times 80 minus X. All right, so that's the function, and we want to maximize it. All right, as you can see that this is going to be a parabola with the let's see, leading coefficient is going to be negative, so it's going to be a facing down parabola. So we're going to have to find basically the maximum happens at the vertex. All right, but we can simply just take the derivative here. Right, derivative of the first guy is 1 times the second guy is 80 minus X, plus I'm using the product rule, and the first guy is X plus 40 times derivative of the second would be negative 1. Right, so if you simplify that, let's see, so you're going to have a negative X here, and you have a negative X, so that's going to be, I'm going to circle that, so that's going to be negative 2X. All right, then there's going to be 80 here and a minus 40, so it's going to be plus 40. All right, so it's going to be set that equal to 0 to find a critical number, and you can see that the X is going to be 20. All right, so X is the critical number is 20. All right, let's make sure that this is going to give you the largest possible value. So we can simply look at the sign of the A prime. All right, and critical number is 20. All right, so I'm going to try anything smaller than 20. So like X equals 1. Anything bigger than 20, so I'm going to try X equals 21 or something like that. Right? Then what? If you plug it in to the original function here, so 40 plus 1 is positive. This is positive, so you can see that this is positive here. If you do 21, and it's let's see, this is going to be positive, and 80 minus 21 is definitely negative. Right? So you can see that the area function increases before 20 and it decreases after 20. So we know that this is going to give you a maximum. All right, so let's answer that question here. All right, X is going to be 20. All right, and we need to find the W too, so let's find W. All right, W is 80 minus X, so W is 80 minus X, which is 20, so it's a 60. All right, So type it in, 60. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.